Welcome to ANS Solver question 6 of this paper. So for part A, they are asking us to calculate an estimate of the mean time. So how we do that is we use the formula summation fx divided by summation f. So fx is frequency multiplied by the x value, so that is 38 multiplied by 25, so that is 950 for the first one. The x value is the midpoint of the class width. So for the first one, you find the class width by adding the two ends of the class width and dividing by 2. So for the first one, 20 to 30, so you add 20 and 30, that's 50, divided by 2, which is 25. So 25 multiplied by 38 is 950. So you do the same for the rest of them. So 27 multiplied by 32.5 is equal to 877.5 plus 35 to 40, the center value is 37.5 multiplied by 21, which is equal to 787.5 plus 40 plus 60 is 100, divided by 2 is 50, so 50 multiplied by 16 is 800, and 60 to 100, so 60 plus 100 is 160, divided by 2 is 80, so 80 multiplied by 18 is equal to 1440. Now we divide it by the summation of the frequency, as they've given us is 120 boys, so divided by 120. Now all we need to do is take the sum of the numerator, so 1440 plus 800 plus 787.5 plus 877.5 plus 950 is equal to 4855 divided by 120, and therefore to find the final answer, all you need to do is input this into your calculator. So 4855 divided by 120 is equal to 40.45. So 40.4583. Now since we need to give our answer in 3 significant figures, your final answer will be 40.5, because the fourth significant figure in this case, which is 5, is greater than or equal to 5. So it rounds off the 4 to the next number. Now let's move on to part B, where they are asking us to complete the histogram. So the y-axis, as you must have noticed, is the frequency density. So how you find the frequency density is you divide the frequency with the class width. So the first one, so for the first one it would be 38 divided by 10, therefore 3.8. As you can see, they have plotted it at 3.8. Like that, you find the frequency density for each of the scenarios, and then you plot it on the graph. So the next one is 30 to 35, and the frequency is 27. So 27 divided by 35 minus 30 is 5. So 27 divided by 5 is equal to 5.4. And 5.4 will come up here. So you connect the graph over here, and your class width, that is in time seconds, is 5. So the graph will only reach till 35. Now let's move to the next one, that is 35 to 40, and the frequency is 21, again divided by 5 because the class width is 5, and this one is 4.2. so from 4.2, and the class width is 5, so till 40. Like that, you plot all of the remaining scenarios. So the next one is 40 to 60. So 16 divided by the class width in this case is 20. So that would be 0.8, which would be right here. And the class width is still 60. So it would look like this. And then the last one, that is 18, the frequency is 18 and the class width is 40. So 18 divided by 40 is equal to 0.45. So 0.45 will come right here, and the last class width goes up till 100. So this would be your final answer for part B of this question.